Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fake a sew-in by using clip-ins and not even having any leave-out in your hair. If you're interested in this video, please keep on watching and don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. So I'm not even gonna ramble along. Let's go ahead and jump into these clip-ins. These clip-ins are from Curlsqueen. They are the best curly clip-ins that you will ever lay your hands on. Like, from packaging to quality of hair to quality of clips, one bundle, their hair is so thick, one bundle is enough to fill your whole head. The packaging comes with 10 pieces. You get 2 5 clips, 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, and 4 2 clips. Besides the packaging, they do come with a few goodies in there. I absolutely love the bonnet that they give you. It is so nice how it has an adjustable string for you to fit all this hair in it, and it works really well. Their teasing brush works 10 out of 10. I use it to detangle my hair. They were just going to be installing their 18-inch 3C4A Water Jerry, I think it is. Yeah, Water Jerry curly hair. They have so many different hair textures. Like, you will be blown away. They have a texture for every single hair type. Don't play with Curlsqueen. So they sent me their Water Jerry curly. Now, their Water Jerry curly mimics a braid out for me. My hair texture is a little bit tighter, but no worries. You guys can do the crochet method, which I'll show you in the video. How I did it, I did not have to leave any hair out, and this honestly works best for me because of the lifestyle that I live. I wake up and I don't have to do my hair really, or worry about leave out, blending, maintaining any extra hair. Like, this is easy for me. 100% protective style. I would literally, guys, you will see how easy it is because I didn't even braid my hair down. Like, I'm faking a sew-in and I made it easy just for you. You don't have to braid your hair down. If you see my braid pattern, you're gonna scream. And then I just literally clip these bad boys in, crochet the top, and I'm done. Okay? We're doing a sew-in in less than an hour. So this is what the hair looks like fresh out the box. It's really tightly packed. Like, it's a tight curl, but once you wash it, baby, once you wash that hair, you see the natural curls, you see the natural length, and it is just beautiful, like chef's kiss. So make sure when you get your hair, you wash it first because you want the full effect of your clip-ins. After that, you just go ahead and pop them in. I have mine right here. I just washed them, and we're just going to be popping them in one by one. It's gonna look a little rocky at first, but please trust the process. So yeah, once I'm done clipping each clip in, I recommend just play around with the clip-ins, you know, play around with them and see which area of your head needs the right piece. Like I said, it's not going to be the same for every person because everybody's head is different. So like I said, after I'm done clipping the clip-ins in, I just go ahead and do the crochet at the top, which is the most tedious part. I do recommend having somebody help you with this because it is not easy the first time. I still am probably not even doing this side of my head right just because it's at an awkward angle, but this side I kind of do a little better. It can be very tedious if you don't know how to use a crochet needle with tangling and getting the hair to go into the right direction. So get somebody's help. But other than that, this hairstyle is very, 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 very low maintenance and easy for anybody to accomplish. Like I said, I love the hair. The hair mimics natural hair to a T. When I tell you to a T, this hair is, as you can see, I didn't put any product in it after washing it, as you guys saw, and I'm just like, look how big it's getting each time, each hour. It's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and we love that. But if I do want to maintain the curls, you know, you can use any natural hair products that you have, and it works so well. The curls are so juicy, they last like a wash and go. So please don't hesitate to, you know, define your curls if you want to. But I was kind of showing you guys how it looks air dried and how the natural curl pattern looks when it's dried. I do plan to give you guys or keep you updated on these clip-ins and see how long they last, so that they're worth your money, because they are a bit on the pricey side, but as of now, I'm telling you, they are worth it. They are worth the investment, because every girl needs a quality pack of clip-ins that they can just run to when they don't have nothing to do to their hair. Clip these bad boys in and you're done. You can do so many styles with clip-ins, and you don't have to rely on somebody else to do your hair for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.